Today we will be unboxing the close ratio gear set, now available from Triumph for the Triumph Twin 500 and 650cc motorcycle. Cotton Pack 95 provides a set of gears that are closer in ratio to each other than the standard gear set. The close ratio gear set is an excellent choice for competition applications, especially road racing where a minimum drop in RPM between gears is desirable in order to maintain optimum engine speed. As we open the box, we find the gears to be meticulously packed. Prior to leaving the Triumph factory, each part is given a protective coating before being wrapped in moisture-resistant paper to preserve the parts for what may be years until such time they are called into service. In the first wrapping, we find the 24-tooth main shaft high gear and 21-tooth second gear, as well as the speedometer drive plug and washer, as no close ratio speedometer drive gear is available. In the next wrapping, we find the main shaft with its 18-tooth low gear and 23-tooth third gear. Also packed here is the 28-tooth lay shaft low gear and 23-tooth third gear. Both lay shaft gears seen here packed on the main shaft strictly for shipping. In the final wrapping is the lay shaft with a 12-tooth high gear and lay shaft 25-tooth second gear. Customers can obtain this close ratio gear set and other Triumph spare parts directly from the spares departments Meriden Works, Allesley Coventry, or from the Triumph dealer in your district. We hope you have enjoyed this presentation brought to you by American Triumph.